Nakakang ba? Okay, first na! Ay, napunta kay Perocho Calvo. Man. Bola amigos. Nakadlaw sa Rizal.
Patay!
Top 4. To Baligwat, number 5. Papasok sa Baligwat, one side step forward, one long pass. Here's pass.
Balik!
Canduleta, 14-second shot clock. Here is Tomas. Tomas, ibigay kay. Who's that? Baligwat, number 5. Top 2. Monchado. Traveling. Okay, fine. Here is Canduleta to Layasan. Ibigay 3. Walang rebound by Tambor of Team Unidos. Tambor against Canduleta. Go. Ibigay kay Monchada. Monchada fires! Ay! May foul. May tatawag kay number 7. Layasan. First personal foul, Layasan. And first team foul. 7. Number 17. First personal foul, Layasan. Monchado. Monchado rather. Isa lang. Number. Here it is, Canduleta. Okay, 2 points from Canduleta.
Una dalawa! Ilang tao?
2-1 is the score. Just a mixture. Here's Liam. 8 seconds to shoot. Balik buat bola sa keras, wala top 2. Bastion. Here is Layasan, dibigay ke Canduleta. Canduleta now. Turn.
Balik!
Chest Tomas. Chup-chap. Bang. 7 minutes and 50 seconds remaining time. 3-2. There is. Uy. De La Cruz. Chup-chap. Bola na Unidos. 7 minutes and 25 seconds remaining time. Score 3-2. Favor Unidos. There is Tambor. Bibigay kay Baligwat. 10 seconds to shoot. There is Tiban. Tambor runs the forward. Ito kay Bala. Punta kay Yayasan. At punta na kay Canduleta na Rory. That's Chup-chap. Bang. Bastions. 6 minutes and 48 seconds remaining time. 4-3 and the score. 1 point lead of the 10-second shot clock. Tomas for 3. Bang. 6-4. 2-point lead. Basset, got 2. 14-second shot clock. Chup-chap. Bang.
Una dalawa!
Here is Ken. This is top 4 of Unidos. 14-second shot clock. Kiban. Tomas, Baligwat. 8 seconds to shoot. Last ball, 5. 1 second. 1 second to shoot. 1 second.
O, balik.
Tira kiba. There it is. Canduleta. Pass to Layasan. Layasan also forward. And Boston. Is that Monchada to Kiba. Chucha. Pingpan. 5 minutes, 20 seconds remaining time. 8-6 is our score. There is De La Cruz, basket De La Cruz. There's now only on a score. 5 minutes and 5 seconds is your remaining time. First quarter, top 4. 40 seconds to shoot. Tomas, Balgua, 10 seconds to shoot. Tomas, last ball, 5 seconds. There it is again, Layasan, doing Canduleta. Nakita ni Canduleta. Chance of Raiders, clear substitution. Nandito na si Guntan. Wala pa si Unggan. Okay, there's no top 4. 40 second shot. Tomas, naabot ni De La Cruz. Canduleta, chucha, bang bang. 4 minutes and 15 seconds, your remaining time. There is Balagua. Oh, naago ni Bastian. Dire-diretso si Bastian at pinagkakasama Layasan. Bibigay kay Canduleta to Bastian. Pimpan. Timeout. Unidos. Okay, 3 minutes and 49 seconds remaining time. 12 seconds our score. There is no top 4. Pass to Thomas. Tira sa 3 si Thomas. Rebound by Layasan. Here is De La Cruz. De La Cruz again. Bibigay kay Boston. Bang bang. 3 minutes and 18 seconds remaining time. Baliguan. Bang bang bang. 3 points. From Baliguan. Canduleta to Boston. Layasan for 3. Chucha. Bang bang. 17-11 is the score. Ang lamang ng Lagostek. 14 second shot clock. Baliguan. Tira ng 3. Bang bang. Naka-3 na naman. Balas-balas na. 14-17. Oh, substitution. Bastian Apolinar. Management. 2 minutes, 72 seconds remaining on for the first quarter. 17-14 is our score. Top 4. 14 seconds shot clock. Bibigay kay is that Monchada. Guntan in the baseline. 3 seconds. Oh, back to 24. Here is Michael Basket. Bastian jersey number 2. Stepping the line, si Baliguan. There's now Canduleta. Balikan to Bastian, kemudian yang tres. Here is Guntan to Barigua. Dari Teresius Barigua, nabitawan bola putus lagi sana Bernardo to Candoleta, Bernardo Candoleta to Bastian. Cucak Bernardo. 21-14, another score, 1 minute and 10 seconds remaining time. 40 seconds shot clock. Here is Tampor, 10 seconds to shoot. Thomas binigay Tampor, 3 and 3. Yeah, badabadu. 21-17. Apat na 40 seconds remaining time. Money time.
Break.
27 seconds. Tampor. No shot clock. 15 seconds remaining time. Candoleta, 10 seconds. Milanico. And here's Sebastian Penca. Last 4 seconds. And that is the end of the first quarter. Salamat na ulit sa mga nagustuhan. Score 23-17. That is for Lagostan. We'll wrap that up. Promise.